How to hide your location on Snapchat. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on the pin icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then, click on Ghost Mode. After you click on Ghost Mode, you'll find three options. Click on Until Turned Off. After you do that, your location will be hidden from your friends. You can simply go to the same setting and turn it off to unhide it as well. And this is how to hide your location on Snapchat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.